Looking for a drink that does more than quench your thirst? Forget boring beverages. Jamu is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Imagine a drink bursting with natural ingredients like turmeric, ginger, lemongrass, and a touch of black pepper and salt. These aren't just spices, they're ancient remedies with a modern twist. In today's episode, we're unlocking a hidden gem, a traditional Indonesian drink that's not just delicious, but a superfood powerhouse. So, are you ready to boost your health with this ancient elixir? Let's get cooking. Before making the jamu, make sure to wash all the herbal ingredients. Pound and chop 50 grams of galangal. Galangal, a close relative of ginger, enhances digestion and has antimicrobial properties, helping to fend off infections. Thinly slice 100 grams of turmeric. Turmeric, known as kunyit in Indonesian, is curcuma longa, characterized by its bright orange-yellow rhizome. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties due to its high curcumin content. It has an earthy, slightly bitter flavor. On the other hand, Java turmeric, or temulawak, Curcuma xanthorrhiza, has a yellow to brownish rhizome that is larger and more branched. Temulawak contains xanthorrhizol and curcumin, offering potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial benefits. Its flavor is bitter with a slight sweetness. Pound 50 grams of lemongrass. Lemongrass acts as a natural detoxifier, cleansing the body while providing a refreshing flavor. Put all the herb ingredients in a pot. Add 1 liter of water and some black peppers. The addition of black pepper enhances the bioavailability of curcumin in turmeric, amplifying its health benefits. Bring the water and herbs to a boil. Add 4 pandan leaves, tied into a knot, and a pinch of salt. Pandan leaves not only add a unique fragrance, but also support digestion and have traditionally been used to reduce fever, while a pinch of salt balances the flavors and provides essential minerals. Once it boils, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then set it aside to cool before serving. By drinking jamu, you tap into the rich, traditional wisdom of Indonesian herbal medicine, enjoying a drink that not only tastes great, but also supports your overall health and well-being. Embrace the heritage and health benefits of jamu and experience a time-honored tradition that nourishes both body and soul. For a better taste, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. So, next time you're looking for a drink that does more than quench your thirst, remember the magic of jamu. If you're looking to explore more ways to boost your health with delicious recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be uncovering new superfood secrets every week. Until next time, cheers to your health and happiness.